Do you ever ponder the significance of maintaining a positive mindset in retirement? It's a question that deserves attention. Today, we delve into the power of a positive outlook during your golden years and how it can transform your life. Consider the story of Martha, a retired schoolteacher from a small town in Nebraska. After spending over 3 decades shaping the minds of young children, she found herself lost in the vast sea of retirement. She missed the daily chatter, the joy of teaching, and the sense of purpose that her profession provided. However, Martha chose to view retirement not as an end, but as a new beginning. She embraced her love for gardening and turned it into a community project, providing a green space for her neighbors, and in the process, creating an environment of togetherness. She learned that retirement was not about losing purpose, but about redefining it. Or take the case of George, a retired Army officer from Texas. George had always thrived on discipline and order. Retirement initially felt like a disarray to him, but he chose to channel his energy into fitness. He realized that he could still maintain his disciplined life, but in a new way. He started a fitness club for seniors in his community, helping them stay fit and active. George found his new mission in promoting health and wellness, proving to himself and others that retirement is not a phase of inactivity, but a stage for new pursuits. These stories of Martha and George are a testament to the power of a positive mindset in retirement. They teach us that retirement is not a period of stagnation, but a time for exploration, growth, and new beginnings. It's about finding new passions, or rediscovering old ones, and using them to bring joy to your life and the lives of those around you. In this video, we've discussed the importance of a positive mindset in retirement. We've delved into the personal journeys of Martha and George, who have successfully redefined their retirement by embracing change, cultivating positivity, and finding new purposes. To summarize, maintaining a positive mindset in retirement involves viewing this stage as a new beginning, not an end. It's about redefining purpose, staying active, and pursuing passions. Remember, retirement is not about what you leave behind, but what you're moving towards. So, as you navigate your golden years, keep these lessons in mind. Embrace change, cultivate positivity, and always remember, your retirement is your new beginning. It's your chance to rewrite your story, just like Martha and George did. Your golden years can indeed be your best years, if you choose to make them so. Thank you for joining in today. Stay positive, stay active, stay curious. Your golden years are waiting for you to make them truly golden.